Growing a blog to 100,000 page views is a goal that a lot of us bloggers aim for. At 100,000 page views, our blog starts to bring in substantially more earnings that we can use for passive income or to reinvest back in our blogging business. So how exactly do you take a blog from just 100 page views all the way up to 100,000 page views? In the video today then, I'm going to dive into my exact step-by-step process that I'm currently following to try and grow my blog to that level. Let's jump into it. Build authority up to 20,000 page views. Definite mouthful there, Fed. So in order to get 100,000 page views, we first have to get our first 1,000, 10,000 and most importantly 20,000 page views. So why 20,000 page views? I mean, the number seems a little bit arbitrary, right? Well, in reality, once your website gets to around about 20,000 page views, you would have built some authority within your own individual niche. This will then allow you to attack those highly coveted, more competitive and higher search volume keywords without your post just ending up on page 24, which has happened far too many times. So how exactly do we grow our blogs to get to that 20,000 page view per month mark? Well, it's simple. What we have to go after in the first instance are lower competition, longer tail keywords, and in some instances, zero search volume keywords. This would be keywords and search queries which have, a lot of forums, maybe some blog posts, but those aren't really on point there. Now, a good number to aim for these lower competition keywords would be between 100 and 200 page views per month. Now, don't say I didn't warn you, but this initial process of growing your blog from 0 to 20,000 page views is going to be the longest and hardest part of your blogging journey, hopefully. If you're doing everything yourself, it can take anywhere from 1 to 2 years to write enough posts that bring in 100 to 200 page views. Now, you might get really lucky with your keyword research and search analysis and find that your posts are averaging 1,000 page views per post per month. However, as a new blogger, it's realistic that a lot of our keyword research and search analysis isn't really going to be the best when you first start, let's be honest. As I mentioned, then getting your website from 0 to 20,000 page views is hopefully going to be the hardest part of your blogging journey, and then getting your website from 20,000 to 100,000 page views should be a little bit easier. But building this authority right at the beginning of your website is going to be vital to the success of your website. Run through your old content. So congratulations, you schmucks, you managed to get your website to 20,000 page views per month. It's time to let the games begin. Now, a lot of bloggers actually drop off before their websites get anywhere near 20,000 page views per month. Now, trust me when I say this is going to be one of the most frustrating things we do in our first world problem-filled lives. It's not really that deep in the grand scheme of things. The good news, however, if we've managed to power through this, is that we can update our old existing content in order to hit that 100,000 page view per month mark faster than we would have normally, hopefully increasing the individual page views that our older posts would get. The way this would work then is you would simply go through all of your old posts on your website that have had around about a year or so to actually rank in Google. You'd be looking for posts that are ranking on page 1 but aren't in that top 1 or 2 position. Once we found these posts, we would then update them to make them more authoritative by doing things like adding links to them, infographics, videos, or generally updating the content to make it more relevant. When the post gets re-indexed, then it will hopefully increase the authority and the page authority of that individual page, and hopefully make a post that's maybe in position 3 and bringing in 500 page views per month, a post that's ranking number 1 and bringing in 1,500 page views per month. Now, whilst this sounds like small incremental changes, the truth of the matter is you have 100 to 200 posts on your website that are averaging 200 posts and 50% of them are on the first page but not ranking. That small incremental change will be massively multiplied across your website. Let's just say we managed to update 50 of our 200 posts and managed to get some of them increased rankings. That can potentially jump your page views up from 20,000 page views per month to 50,000 page views per month, which is massive. Now, if you're interested in finding out a little bit more about the exact process that I followed that's helped me grow my blogs in particular, I would definitely recommend having a look at Income School's Project 24. It's the one course I've taken that's actually drastically made a huge difference in my experience as a blogger, and I would definitely recommend it if you're at the start of your journey. There's an affiliate link in the description box down below if you're interested. Scale your blog rapidly. So I don't know about you, but one of my many flaws, alongside my questionable sense of humor, I'd say, and ever expanding waistline, pretty gross, is just the feeling that I can do everything myself. This isn't a problem unique to blogging, by the way. It's actually a problem I've got in my career in sales as well. One of the things I have noticed, however, blogging, is that in order to build up a truly powerful blogging engine that's massively scalable, you need to outsource, and sometimes you need to get a little bit of help. At this stage then, once we've hopefully managed to update all our content, our website will be around about the 30,000 to 50,000 page view mark. My strategy then to take it from this many page views all the way over to 100,000 and world beyond is to simply get some help with content, links, and for lack of a better term, general help on my websites. As our websites then will hopefully be getting around 30,000 to 50,000 page views per month, they should be earning anywhere between, I don't know, $500 to $2,000 per month, roughly speaking. My strategy then will be to take half of the amount of money that the blog brings in and then reinvest it back into the blogging business on new content, updated links, anything to genuinely help with the authority of the website. This will allow me then to work on the business as opposed to in the business, and allow me to really target those higher competition keywords that are bringing in 10,000, 15,000 page views a month per post. Blogging family, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think this strategy is a good one to follow, if there's anything I've missed and maybe I could improve upon there. Absolutely smash the like and subscribe button if you are interested in more videos around, blogging, personal development, side hustles, any of those kinds of things, because that's all this guy does now. And as always, good luck with your blogs, and I'll see you in the next one. All the best for now.